Hello traders. I hope your weekend was good and you enjoyed a lot. Today I have come up with an analysis video on gold that will help you plan the trades ahead in this week. So let's go to the chart and see what are the possible levels in gold that will play out in this week. So let's go to the daily chart first to get a broader perspective of gold and how it is currently behaving and what is the trend of gold now. So if you see, gold has been rallying with a bullish momentum since August and it has been continuing its rally till today as well. Now, if we see the daily chart and mark the fib levels in gold on the daily time frame, so let's see what is the good levels in gold in daily time frame. So if you mark the Fibonacci retracement in daily time frame, you see 3512 to 3465. This is a good support zone in gold, but it is pretty far away, so it's most likely not easily be played in this week. But if it plays, gold can show a good bullish momentum from here. But let's go to the lower time frame to identify the levels which are nearer and which are supposed to be played in this week and more likely to be played in this week. Okay, so let's go to the 1 hour time frame and find out what are the possible levels in gold where you can plan your trades in this week. So if you see from the top, gold has shown a bearish momentum and it has been going down since 16th of September. To identify the levels, let's mark a good selling zone in gold which may get played out tomorrow. So if you see, gold has shown a sharp rejection on this level, so there is a possibility that you can plan a sell trade here after a good rejection from on this level from gold. Now this is the 1 hour time frame level. Let's see if it has a confluence level with any other lower time frame. So the zone from 3690 to 3710 is a good selling zone in gold if it at all shows a good rejection on this side, which most possibly it will show because it has been going down since 16 September. So this zone which I have marked in green is a good selling zone in gold, and if it plays out, you can plan a sell trade here and you can target this trade up till this point, which would be a safe target in gold. So around 142 pips. And if you are able to catch from the top, let's say if it goes above and then rejects it from here onwards, then it is another 250 pips you can capture in gold. So at least this is the safest target in gold. But then let's go to another time frame to find out if this zone has any confluence level with any other major time frame. So let's switch to 4 hour time frame and let's see if this selling zone confluences with this 1 hour time frame. So let's see if it is there a confluence with the time frame in 4 hour. Obviously there is a confluence with the time frame in 4 hour in gold. So this is the 4 hour zone which gold may play out tomorrow. So as I told, this is a good selling zone in gold, and if you get a good signal, a rejection signal from this top, you can plan a better trade in gold tomorrow. But are there no levels in gold where you can plan a buy because it has been on a buying momentum since last few days? There should be. So let's jump into the buying levels in gold which may play out and which are the good levels in gold where you can see buying. So this is another level in gold where you can plan a buying trade here. So this is 3657 to 3635 is a good buying zone in gold, and another level could be, which is nearer, is this level 3672 to 3667. So these are the two 4 hour levels in gold possibly which may get played out this week, and gold may show a good buying from these areas. Again, let's go to 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame to find out whether this 4 hour levels has any confluence with the 1 hour level. So let's go to 1 hour chart again. So if you see, gold has a confluence in 4 hour and 1 hour on these levels. So these are the strong levels in gold where gold may show a sharp fall from the top, because this is a good confluence level with 4 hour and 1 hour. And secondly, because if it is in a bullish momentum, so it can show a good buying momentum from here. So these are the two possible levels which I can suggest, which may get played out this week and which may work well with you. So let's go to further lower time frame chart. Let's say 15 time frame chart, and let's see what are the possible levels in gold again. So let's mark the 15-minute levels in gold so that we can find the levels where we can expect a selling in gold in 15-minute time frame, or we can mark the buying zones as well so that we can plan a buy trade. So if you see on the top, whatever we have marked as a 1 hour time frame selling zone, that is the confluence zone in 15-minute time frame as well. So that becomes a good selling zone in gold. Now if you consider the buying zones, another 1 hour time frame buying zone over here is also a confluence level for 15-minute time frame. So this also becomes a good buying zone. Additionally, let's mark the other 15-minute time frame buying zones in gold. So this becomes a good buying zone in gold with a 15-minute time frame level, and this again becomes a good buying zone in gold. This again becomes a good buying zone in gold with a 15-minute time frame level. So we can plan the trade accordingly based whatever on your setup is, guys. So you can plan the trade across these levels with proper strategy and with proper risk reward ratio. So these are the major levels in gold that may get played out in this week. I hope this analysis video will help you plan your trades in gold ahead in this week. However, you should be doing your own market research and analysis before taking any trading decision. So, if you like this video, do give a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And please do subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I am uploading a video. Thank you for your time, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and good night.